Ah, good, sí, good, good, good. Up here, up here. Up here. See what's going on? I'm running her on my side. I let her go in front of me. I make a U-turn. She has to follow me without me having to hit the leash. Up here. Up here. Up here. Up here. Up here. Good.
She didn't like that shepherd she didn't like that shepherd husky in her face.
Yeah. Good girl. See. Good girl. Good girl, Maya. Good girl, Maya. Good girl. Good girl. Up. Good girl. Good girl. Good.
Hey Tony, so I was wondering, what are you trying to achieve with this walking exercise?
See, huh?
What are you trying to achieve with the walking
This is how
exercise?
you get them to heel without a pull. I'm teaching the dog that she has to stay in. My legs have to be in her peripheral. If I forget my keys and she's walking in front of me and I have to make a U-turn, I have to pull her towards me. So I make her walk alongside of me and she passes me. I let her pass me up until we hit the end of my rope.
Okay.
And then I U-turn her. I said this way. So that's her heel. So she realizes, actually, leave it. No. So she realizes that I need her right here.
Okay.
So when I do forget my keys, up there. So when I do make a U-turn, she can see me making a U-turn and she'll turn with me. So if I forget my keys, I turn around, she can't be going that. See how she's turning with me?
Right.
Up here, up here. See that? So I don't have to use the 6 foot of my leash. I could only turn up. And that's where you get your heel with liggett. You see, you could walk her with a leash like this.
Right.
And if you'll notice, when I'm walking, I have to kind of verbally remind her, Maya, up here. And that's when I make my turn, and you'll see that my leash does not choke her. She'll turn before my leash runs out. And that's kind of the objective.
Right.
I don't, and sometimes you do have to. Strong dogs like this, a working dog, sometimes when they're a little bit older, sometimes I'll let them run the 6 feet, and I'll do this to them.
Okay.
Like I'll whoop that dog's ass in a U-turn, like I said, here. Because they are, you got to understand, they are commands.
Right.
I'm not asking you to do it, I'm telling you to do it.
Right.
And so these are working dogs, and this is not a pet, so they're working dogs. They need commands,
Right.
you know. But they're smart enough to understand what I'm asking from them because of this, just the leash. This everything runs through here,
Right.
and so I try to touch the dog in every sense. As far as your senses, your sense of sight, your sense of smell, your sense of touch. Good girl. Free, free. See, when I take the leash off them, I let them know you're free to do it.
Okay.
Go be a dog. You know?
Great. Thank you for explaining that.
Good girl. Good girl.